looks like I'm just enjoying a beautiful, relaxing day along the shores of Lake Michigan. But you're wrong. I'm actually backstage at the BMO Harris Bank Pavillion in Milwaukee, Wisconsin at Summerfest, the world's largest music festival. What makes the BMO Harris Bank Pavillion so special is that you can see some of the greatest acts in music for free, and they have an elevated VIP experience. Plenty of delicious food, drinks, and of course, beer to get your party started. Now, this marks about my 10th time hitting up Summerfest, but it's been around way longer than that. 2018 marks its 51st year. I love strolling the grounds, checking out the sights, eating some awesome festival food, and of course, people watching. But now it's time for our main event. Nothing makes me happier than a summertime country music concert, and Hunter Hayes brought all the country vibes as the headliner of the BMO Harris Bank Pavillion tonight. I caught up with him before his show, and then I got to hang with the crowd and watch this talented artist light up the stage with some of his greatest hits like Storm Warning and Wanted. Thanks for another amazing time, Summerfest. Until next year.